Hello viewers, this video showcases Inventaa's all-new Fabra focus light. This comes in various wattages: 20 watt, 30 watts, 50 watts, 100 watts, 150 watts and even 200 watts. They give two different color temperature options, the one being 6500 Kelvin cold white and 3000 Kelvin warm white. To find this product, use the product code FBR50C, where C stands for cool white. Y represents warm white as well, and 50 indicates the wattage. Let's unbox this powerful product and let's see what's inside. Inside the box is light itself, and you can see they have safeguarded the box with bubble foam protectors so that it doesn't get damaged while transit. Okay, now let's remove the wrappers and see how this looks. Moving on to the product's features. This product comes with a heavy aluminum body with powder coated finish, toughened glass and stainless steel screws. If you see the back of this product, features fins to reduce heat. Now let's talk about the 6 kVA surge protection driver potted with silicone. This acts as a stabilizer, enabling your light to shine bright even when high voltage fluctuations occur. And in case if your product needs repair, the company offers you a 2-year warranty period on this particular product. And also this product is certified under BIS registration. This product also comes with a highly rated IP66 rating, which shows that this product is dustproof and waterproof to the core. Installation is like a breeze when it comes to this product, because this product has a built-in clamp that you can use to mount it on the wall just like that. Loosen the screws on both ends of this light and once again tighten it with both the screws. Mount the clamp on the wall and drill it with screws. And also you can see it gives us post-installation adjustment services so that you can rotate to your favorite position. We are now going to plug the light into the current supply and let's see how it glows. Wow, the light emits a rich and royal glow and it's perfect for your space. Finally, we reached the end of this video. All of the products that are manufactured by Inventaa are completely Indian made, and their mass manufacturing unit is currently present in Pallikaranai, Chennai. If you have any product related queries or need any assistance with replacement or warranty, don't hesitate to call the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now, or reach out to us at support@inventaa.in. Thanks for watching the video.